Working on the OTJ again today. Today we're going to be putting a new drag link on with a new stabilizer. So let's get to it. I know y'all might have noticed by now I wear a camouflage shirt in the videos, and anyway, you get them dirty and you can't really even tell it. So that's why I like to wear camouflage when I'm laying on the concrete and working on this Jeep. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to break the ball joints loose. We're going to take the steering stabilizer shock off, and we're going to get all this old garbage out from under here. We're going to replace it with brand new. There it goes. I'm going to lay my new drag link down here, and I'm going to try to get it as close to this one as I can on lengthwise. And then I'm going to put it back up in there, and I'll have to recenter my steering wheel a little bit, I'm sure. Okay. Okay guys, I just got back from the test drive and I can say that all the steering input I was getting at various speeds, well actually it wasn't various speeds, it was at 55 miles an hour, is now gone. It drives smooth as silk. And I'm sure you noticed when I was putting the drag link on that I didn't replace all the threaded ball joints like on the tie rods and the one that connects from the driver's wheel to the drag link in the center. The reason I didn't is my parts didn't come in. So I have those on order, and when they come in, I will put those on the front end as well. I haven't replaced the ball joints in the wheels yet. I believe they're okay. I will do a test on those to verify that. But the whole front end will be new when my new parts come in. I won't make a separate video on that. I've already done the install of the drag link and the track bar. So anyway, if you notice I didn't replace those, that's why I didn't have the parts. So they're coming in. So anyway, y'all, that's going to wrap up this video. And if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you hadn't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It'll help my channel out a lot. And leave some comments. I love responding to the comments and hearing what you guys have to say and what you might like to see me do with the old TJ. So y'all come back next week and we'll see what we're doing then. Thanks for watching.